Wouldn't it be nice if when you held down the power button on your Samsung phone, if you didn't launch Bixby, but instead launched the Google Assistant? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you two different methods demonstrated on my Z Fold 4 and my Galaxy S23 Ultra to do exactly this. It is extremely easy, extremely simple, and uses an app you should already have on your phone called GoodLock. So for method number one, we're going to be using the Z Fold 4, and I got to stress to you, either one of these are going to work on any of these Samsung devices, all right? It doesn't matter which one you choose, either way is going to get you there. We're going to open up the application called, first off, just to make sure you have it, we're going to go into the Galaxy Store, and then we're going to search for GoodLock. Go ahead and install that. Once you're done, open it up. Now, the first thing we're going to install here on GoodLock, make sure that we are on the tab up here with the little tools, okay? I think one's like Home Up and one's like Life Up or something like that. Look for the little tool icon up there in the corner. And then we're going to scroll down until you see Registar, okay? So when you see it, you probably have a little download button there. Click on that Download Registar and then open that up. And from here, this is really, really simple. We do actually have to make a slight diversion because there's a system setting that must be changed first. So jump into your settings, go up here to the search, and search for side key. That's your simplest way to get there. See, it pops up there, side key, and change this press and hold from Wake Bixby to power off menu. Okay, I think this is necessary. I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, go back into GoodLock and then launch your Registar module just like that. Once this thing loads up, you will see an option here that says side key press and hold action. Simply change this to access your voice assistant. And now that is exactly what should be happening. Now on our S23 Ultra, just for the sake of showing off two different phones, we're going to do one that's different, okay? So same first steps, all right? You're going to go and get GoodLock downloaded. You're going to go into your side key settings and change it to power off menu. But this time, when you're in GoodLock, you're going to look for a different module. This time, you're going to look for Routines Plus. And what this does is it allows you to use Bixby routines to do more advanced things like use the Google Assistant on your power key. One confusing bit about this is that even though you've installed Routines Plus, you still need to go into your settings to actually do this. Go down to Modes and Routines, and now we're going to make a new one. See, I'll just show you what mine is. If button action, press and hold side key, open assistant. So what we're going to do here is we're going to, nope, not duplicate it. We're going to delete this and we're going to set it up fresh. All right, so let's hit our plus button. If we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, button action, and we're going to look for side key, press and hold, done. Then scroll down to apps. We're going to click on open an app or do an app action and look for open assistant. Click on done, save. You can change the name, change the icon if you want to do any of that, but you don't have to. And at the end of the day, press and hold. And there is the Google Assistant working just like that. Now, you may be wondering, why would I choose one of these over the other? Why are you showing me two different routes? Well, maybe you're already using the Routines Plus module because maybe you checked out my Bixby Routines video and you thought of some cool new ones and you wanted to have that module installed. And you don't want to have a bunch of random excessive stuff installed on your computer. So you're like, I've already got that module installed. I'll just use that one. Maybe you don't use that and you want to go with the simpler option, which is Registar. You get to pick which one makes the most sense for you. And I think that that's a good thing. So there you go. Start using Google Assistant in a really nice, convenient way by holding that power button. Guys, thanks for watching. Check out my channel partner, Mint Mobile, down below to save a ton of money on your cell phone bill. I will see you on the next one. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.